welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are reorganizing my makeup collection. I just filmed all of my declutter series. I think that there's a total of like 4 videos. There's a brush declutter, most of my makeup collection, eyeshadows, and then lip products. So all of those should already be up on my channel. And now that I've kind of done a clear out of everything, I wanted to go through and reorganize everything and put all of my products back in all of my organizers. So you'll see me go through some of my drawers and then my beauty organizers. I do have a beauty box that I put my Shop My Stash stuff in. There's a few things in that box that stay there, but that's gonna look relatively empty because I haven't done a Shop My Stash for the month of January yet. This should be a relatively short and sweet video, just kind of doing some organization. I hope that you enjoy. You will notice that I am wearing a different shirt in part of the video. That's because I filmed part of the organization on a different day than I filmed the intro, outro, and the rest of the video. So you might notice a little bit of continuity error. Is that what that's called? All right, without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's start with concealers, foundations, powders, and primers. Perfect. Now I need to put blushes, bronzers, and highlighters and face palettes into this drawer. No. All right, all of those fit in there really nicely. I have the 1 bronzers, all my palettes, blushes, and highlighters. All right, time for palettes. All right, so they all fit in there except for my Storybook Cosmetics palettes, but I'm not surprised because these are ginormous and really they're meant for display purposes because look at how beautiful the spines are. So those are gonna go elsewhere, but all of the palettes fit in here. It won't look this full all of the time because I will always have a handful of palettes out on my desk for my Shop My Stash, so they'll fit pretty well in here, which is exciting. All right, let's start putting the lipsticks away. And the rest of them will go in here. So let's start with this top drawer. Okay, perfect. Lipsticks are finished. Now, all I have left is single shadows, I think. Okay, so everything fits there. All I have left are liquid eyeshadows. Oh, hello, Felix. What are you doing? And all of those should be able to fit in here. Okay, so here's most of my single shadows and kind of liquid eyeshadows. So these all fit. This is pretty full. I do have a little bit of space down here, so that's nice. I do have a handful of like my favorite and special single shadows that will go into my beauty box, which is the one that sits on my desk. This usually sits on top of my Alex drawers, so I'll put that back. All right, so I do have some knick-knacky things on the top here that need to be put back in here. I cleared them out so I could clean out this case. So let me put those back real fast. Okay, and I think that about does it. And there is the end of my makeup collection reorganization. I hope that you enjoyed. May not have been very exciting for some of you, but maybe it'll give some of you a little bit of inspiration to go through your makeup collection, kind of clean it, clear it out, and reorganize it. I find these videos very enjoyable to watch, so I thought I would throw one up there on the internet. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe for more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you